2019 Honda Ridgeline Black Mannequin engine. Under the hood is the same outdated 3.5-liter i-VTEC V6 out of the preliminary. The engine's displacement is frequent to Honda followers. However, the engine received an approved invigorate before driving the 2016 Pilot. Ensuing using this fact it now features following gas shot, and a 30 horsepower hit in energy and a 15 pound-feet improve in torque. The increase indicates the 2019 Ridgeline has 280 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. The engine traits the 60-level V position and is moved outcast from an aluminum alloy with metallic cylinder liners. The serious skirt prevent decisions for bolt critical hits and high-power metallic crankshaft. The cast metallic hooking up rods are crack separated to provide a particular remounting ground when bolted onto the crank. All of that is achieved for more durability and a protracted engine life. The engine's headline traits embody the i-VTEC approach with the two-stage variable cylinder supervision program. As with totally different Honda engines, the VTEC system manages the expense camshaft, manipulating administration system timing, the high bank account, and increased aspect of the consumption valves. Listed under 5,350 RPM, the engine can make use of a level elevated, quickly routine information for greater torque and extreme gas effectiveness. In advance talked about net motor velocity, the right time adjustments to a higher increase, the expanded length profile, allowing a lot more environment rather have contained in the cylinder.